What's up everyone and welcome to the club. In today's video we're drawing Batmoth from Doors Floor 2 and I'll be showing you the best place to begin, how to add all those creepy details, and then revealing the final color illustration. Now you want to begin our drawing in the center page with the top edge of the nose, so let's start on the left side. We're going to go up, round at the top of the nose, and then come down towards the right. Let's curve the edge of the nose coming in. Now I'm going to bend the bottom of the nose going up slightly in the middle and then back down towards the right. Along the inside of the nose, we draw two large ovals for the nostrils. Let's start with one on the left, coming down and then up. I'm just going to draw that same size oval on the right side. And we'll fill the inside of the nostrils in black. Now we're going to tuck the mouth in underneath the nose. Let's start over on the side. We're going to bend this out and then down. Do the same thing on the right side, coming down towards the same height. Now just like the nose, we're going to round out the corners, coming in. And we'll bend the bottom of the mouth, going up slightly in the middle and then back down. Now I want to trace that mouth along the inside. So let's start with the bottom. Just follow that same curve going across. Round out the corners of the mouth, come in underneath the nose. Now on either side of the mouth along the top, we're going to add two large fangs. We're going to come down and in, and taper this back out and then up underneath the mouth. Let's add four jagged small teeth across the top. Down and up. Add one coming in towards the middle, and then add two more going out towards the right. Let's add those sharp teeth across the bottom. Starting in the middle, we're going to go up this time. Add one on the right. We're going to add a couple more. Now I'm going to go ahead and fill the inside of the mouth in black. We want to go around those teeth. Now with the nose and mouth in place, let's draw those two large eyes along the side. Now we want to tuck this in behind the side of the nose, so let's start on the top left. We draw an oval going up toward the top of the eye. Just come down in a slight angle and then back up toward the side. Now I want to take that shape and flip it over on the right. So we start on top of the nose on the right side, bring this in, go all the way around the outside, and then pull that up toward the side of the mouth. Let's add that thick fold underneath the eye, starting on the bottom left, come around and then in. And then we'll layer in the cheeks, starting underneath that fold, going out, around, then in towards the side of the mouth. Let's go up and add a fold across the top of the eye. Starting on the top left, we're going to go up and pull that down on the inside. And then from the top of that fold, we're going to draw in those antennas. Let's start on the top left, go up, and then out. And then we're just going to bend this up towards the tip. Let's take that shape and flip it over on the right. So we're going to start on top of the right brow, going up and out, and then bend that up towards the tip. Now I'm going to draw the outside of that antenna. I'm going to go a little bit thicker as we come in, and then down towards that brow. On the outside of each antenna, there's a series of spines that go out. So let's start with the bottom. We'll go out, bend that up on either side. I'm just going to taper it so it gets wider as we come back in. Let's do the same thing on the right. Now we want to leave a gap and continue to add these going all the way up toward the top. Now as we go up, we're going to make these a little bit smaller. gonna add one small set on the end. Now let's repeat that over on the right side. Let's add a couple more. Now let's close out the head in between. We start on the left, going up, and then bending that down. Now we see the top edge of the body, so we start on the left side, let's bend this up, and then back down. Now underneath those antennas, we're gonna draw the front half of the wing. Let's start on the left side, I'm just gonna go around and up, and then bend that back out. Round up the tip of the wing, come down. I'm just going to bend this in towards the side of the eye. Now let's draw the bottom half of the wing. Starting on the left, we'll go out, and bend that in. Bend this down, and then up in behind the eye. Now I'm going to add 3 sets of legs across the bottom. Let's start on the corner of the mouth. Start by coming down and in. Round at the end. And just taper this up underneath the head so it gets wider. Let's add a set of legs going out along the side. Start from the cheek, going out and then down. Round this out, and again, going wider as we come back in. Let's add one smaller set of legs across the back, going up and then bending this down, rounding this out and going back in. And do the same thing over on the right. And then along the outside edge of the wings, we're going to add some holes. So let's start on the top left. And we want to vary the size of these ovals, going around. And we'll do the same thing on the right. Let's sign our art and then add in some colors. And there we have it. There's Batmoth from Doors Floor 2. I hope you enjoyed today's lesson. If you do, please be sure to subscribe to this channel for more daily videos where I'll show you how to draw different characters just like this one over here. Thanks for joining me today, and I'll see you in the next one.